Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made a wallet with just some felt, some cloth, and a sewing machine basically. It's really pretty easy and it didn't take me too long and it was really cheap, so I hope you enjoy this video and comment below and let me know what you thought of this idea. To start out, you're going to need to cut out a 4" by 5.5" piece of fabric. Then you're going to fold the edges in just a little bit so it doesn't fray. Then you're going to sew that and cut a piece of fabric, like some felt, to put on top of that. And then you just need to sew that on top, and that will be basically the base of your wallet. After you have that piece, sew half of the zipper to one side of the felt. Then you're going to fold the felt in with the felt side up, and you're going to sew it on both sides. And then you're going to flip it inside out and sew the other piece of the zipper on the other side. Once you've sewn these two pieces together, you're going to fold the bigger piece in half and sew it on the edges, and then the top will go over and it's going to be like the pocket. Measure the wallet to get the exact middle, and you're going to sew a button or a little bead or something on so that you can attach it. Trace the card, then cut out the piece of felt and the middle so that you have a space for the card to go. Then you're going to sew the piece of plastic onto the felt, and an option is to put another piece of felt that's the same size as the one that you cut out on top to make it look more appealing. Another idea is to take a piece of fabric and fold it in half and then sew it, and then you can just sew it around the sides of the piece to put your cards in, and it makes it look better. That was the best way I could come up with to kind of put the fabric around it, because I wanted to use the felt. To finish it off, sew all 3 pieces together and put a little cactus keychain on one side, and I added a little hook so I could hook it to my lanyard. And all you need to do for that is just fold a piece of fabric in half, sew it, hook the little hook onto that, and then just sew it onto the wallet. It's really easy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more.